Gone straight into the barrier. That's not good.
What's up guys, it's your boy, some stupid celebrity. I haven't got any mirrors. Well, I've got bar ends now. Just thought I'd update you about a little customization I've done with the bike. I've always said that my mirrors are really hard to see out of, so I thought I'd try these. And yeah, I've got to move a lot more to see out my mirrors, but at least I can then see behind me, so that's the one plus, I guess. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know that some changes have happened. If she can throw punches, I can throw punches too. Why would you take your family across now? Parent of the Year, congratulations. Oh no, you're only supposed to blow the bloody doors off. Well, they succeeded in that. You're accelerating and braking at the same time. Makes it very difficult for me to know what it is you're doing. Watch this, look. Obviously he's got his brake lights on now. When we set off, I bet you his brake lights stay on. Look at that. Stupid. If I get the opportunity to, I'll tell him. So guys, I got a clip coming up here. Just needs a little bit of explaining. It needs a little bit of explaining. So basically, I witnessed a crash, and I wasn't recording. I had battery on my GoPro, but not enough space. So I remember just before seeing the crash, it was on the one-way system in the town that I'm based, which most of you know where it is anyway. There was some police, so I looped back around and told the police what had happened. And while I was there, I deleted some space off my GoPro and stuck the camera back on, and the clip starts from me putting my helmet back on and with the police and heading back to the crash site just to have another look and get the footage for you guys. The guy was okay. It turned out he actually fell asleep behind the wheel of his car and drove it straight through the barrier. He was in quite a lot of trouble for that, because I mean, if there was a family on the other side of the barrier, they would have been probably killed. I mean, his car was a complete write-off, but I'll play the clip anyway, so yeah, roll it.
So guys, there has been a crash, and it's quite bad. It's just down there. It's gone straight into the barrier. That's not good. So I was on my way home from being out for a ride. Ran out of recording space, so I just deleted some just so I could get this image in for you guys. I've spoken to everyone. Everyone seems to be okay.
Congratulations, dude, you've just named yourself Bell End of the Week. That is so impatient. There we go, tailgating now. You really are a crap driver.
Cheers.
That was nice of him to say. People who are a fan of the shark scrawl.
Okay. Anyway guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to let me know by leaving a like and subscribe. And peace.
Like and subscribe.